Okay, now let's look at a bit of Java for handling graphs. So we've got an abstract class, and an abstract class means we've got some methods which we don't define. And later we can have concrete versions of them where we define these methods. So what we need is something for given any vertex v. We assume our vertices are integers like they are here, because that's a nice way of representing the graphs. So for any vertex v, we want to return the set of vertices which are the neighbours of that vertex. So neighbours is a method which takes a vertex and gives us back the set of all the vertices which are the neighbours. So the neighbours of 6 will be the set 3, 4. The neighbours of 4 will be the set 3, 5. The neighbours of 3 will be the set 2, 4. The neighbours of 5 will be the set 4, 2, 1. The neighbours of 1 will be 2, 5 and 1, etc. So the neighbours gives us all the next things that we have to look for when we're doing a searching for the shortest path. The neighbours tells us where to look next. Now also this thing here this is a function with no parameters which returns a set of integers, and that function gives us all the nodes in the graph that we're interested in. So in this case, vertices would give us the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. So how are we representing other things in our abstract graph class? Well, the things that we have to think about are paths. Now, a path is it's a route through the graph. So a path is something like 6, 4, 5. That's a path, or 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, or 1, 5, 2. So a path is a list. It's a list of integers. So here we have so what we're doing is we're thinking of paths as lists of integers. So every time in this program here, in this class here, every time we see array list of integer, we can think of that as a path, because the nodes are integers. So a path is a list of integers. So if we go down a bit and look at our shortest paths method, what does that do? Well, when we say the shortest paths, we have to say the shortest paths between what two nodes? What are the two nodes that we're interested in? So start and end are the two nodes where we're looking for shortest paths. Now, what does shortest paths return? It doesn't return an array list of integers. Why not? Because there may be more than one path. There may be more than one shortest path. So in which case we want to return a whole set of paths. So the shortest paths method returns a hash set, or a set of paths, a set of array lists of integers. So in the next video we'll look exactly how it works and the intermediate functions or methods that we need to help us along our way.